friends, my name is Maylin and welcome back to my channel. I am a flutist, performer, and music teacher located in the city of Toronto, Canada, and welcome back to my channel. And this is the series where we learn how to play the flute from scratch. And in today's video, we'll be learning about eighth rests and also how to play a new note, which is C. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Also, if you do have any troubles practicing or anything like that, I do have my free practice guide. Again, you can find that in the description as well. So let's just get right into it. As usual, we'll be going through my favorite book here, the Trevor Y, a beginner's book, and today we'll just be looking at page 12 if you're following along. Okay, so first we're going to start with the eighth note rest. So Mr. Y here very clearly shows, I'm going to put it right here, what the eighth rest, also known as the Quaver note, looks like. So then we have a few exercises below. So I'm just going to go through one, which implies the eighth note rest. So that's going to be letter B. And I think at the end, I'm also going to include the exercises A and C. So if you're interested in getting some more practice in this week, then you could definitely take a look at those ones at the end of the video. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. An eighth note rest, it has the exact same value as an eighth note, so that's half of a beat. And instead of playing anything, you're going to, as the name pertains, rest. So let's do our normal count and clap with this. And you can follow along if you like. And if you do have issues with this exercise, of course, feel free to listen to it a few times. And then you could also try it at a slower tempo as well. Okay, so if we're taking a look here, it is in, if you look at the time signature, it is in 2/4. So that means we have 2 quarter notes per measure. It's only the one line. And then Mr. Y has also given us a little tip here with the counting. So we have the 1 and 2 and that first bar. So I'm going to count us in. So it's going to be, I'm going to count the 1 and the ands. So 1 and 2 and 1 and rest and 1 and rest and 1 and 2 and 1 rest, 1 and 2 and 1 and rest and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. All right, very good. So if you feel like that was a little bit too fast, again, what you can do is you can go into the settings of the video here and then set it to a little bit slower. So set down the speed and then see if that helps. If not, then try this a few times. The trickiest bars I would find would be, of course, the one with the 8 rests. So just be careful with measures 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. Okay, but once you're ready with the rhythm, if you feel like you've got that under control, then we're going to go and use our flute. Okay, so again, if you do have issues with the notations, feel free to jot it down on a piece of paper. And so now we're going to do the listening part. So I'm going to play it for you at the same tempo, and then you can try it yourself. Okay. So 1 and 2 and... All right, amazing. So now that we've done eighth note rest, now we're going to learn a new note. So this note is the letter C. So if we're taking a look here at Y's demonstration, so C is really, really easy. You're only pressing down two keys. So it's going to be the first one here on your left hand, no thumb, and then it's also going to be your pinky. And that's it. So just be careful. I know Mr. Y here has a little tip, so don't be tempted to support the flute with the left thumb when C is being played. So make sure that you have most of the weight primarily on the right thumb, so rather than your left finger so much, just so it helps with tension and things like that. So just to get it in your ear, this is what it sounds like. Alright, so now we have 2 little exercises that incorporate C, and then we're just going to go through that like normal with our clapping count and then listen, and then you can try and play it by yourself. Okay, so for the first exercise, we'll do our normal count and clap, and then you can write in the notes if you need to, and then I'll play it for you so you can hear it. So again, as always, we look at the time signature, and it is in 4/4. So we're going to take it just a little bit faster just because there aren't any quarter notes or anything. There's only half notes and then the whole note at the end. So you want to make sure it doesn't lag on too much. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I'm going to play it for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that should be pretty straightforward, and feel free to take breaths whenever you need to at this point. You just want to make sure that you have a nice solid sound, and make sure your breaths are like yawns, so really nice and open, so you can fill up all your lung capacity. That is important. Okay, and now we're going to take a look at the last exercise here. So again, we're in 4/4, and if you look ahead, we see that it's all half notes, and then we actually have 2 half note rests. Okay, so I'm going to take it at the same tempo as the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. All right, very good. Same thing. Now I'm going to play it for you so you can get it in your ear. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And before you play it, make sure you also take a notice at the articulation. So at the beginning, we don't have any articulation, so we're just tying it like normal. But in the second half, we have some slurs. So be sure that you play through those slurs. And again, if you need to take a breath after every single bar, that's okay. Take your time to do that at the beginning, and then try your best to make it a little bit longer so that you can maybe you only need to take a breath after every 2 bars. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions or comments or anything, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. And in our next video, we're actually going to be doing 2 different duets. So I'm going to be playing the teacher part for you as well as teaching you the pupils part. So it's going to be really exciting, and I hope you're there to join me. As always, I do teach online. I do have very limited space at the moment, but if you're interested, feel free to check me out at www.milanjenkins.com. Again, if you have issues with practicing, I have my practice guide also located in the description. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining me here today. Stay safe with the coronavirus and everything. You know, I've been really distracted with that today, so if this video is a little off, that's why. So I just hope that everyone stays safe, and if you can, use the extra time that you have to practice, which would be really great. So thank you again, everyone, for watching, and happy fluting! So this is exercise A. It's in 4/4, so let's do the count and clap first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, rest, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it for you so you can get it in your ear. So 3, 4. Okay, and then this is exercise C. So again, clapping and counting. This one is in 2/4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. All right, and now I'm going to play it for you. So 1 and 2 and